In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 high RAM usage. If your PC feels sluggish, apps take too long to switch, or your system pauses even with a few programs open, high memory usage could be the reason. Today we'll quickly check which apps are using your RAM and safely cut down what you don't need. Then prevent unnecessary apps from launching every time you sign in. Start by opening Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ES key together on your keyboard. This opens Task Manager right away so you can see what's happening under the hood. Once it's open, make sure you're on the Processes tab. This is where Windows lists everything that's currently running, apps you opened, and background processes. Next, we want to see which items are using the most memory. At the top, find the Memory column and click it. Clicking the column header sorts the list by RAM usage. If the biggest numbers aren't on top, click it again to switch the order. Now you'll have a clear view of what's actually consuming your memory in real time. If you spot apps at the top that you don't need right now, you can end them to free up RAM. Before you do, save your work in any open programs to avoid losing progress. Then, in Task Manager, select the app you don't need and choose End Task. This immediately closes the app and releases its memory. Be selective and stick to apps you recognize, things like web browsers with many tabs, game launchers, or editors you're not using. Avoid ending items labeled as Windows processes or anything you're unsure about, as those might be essential for the system to run smoothly. Freeing memory in the moment helps, but we also want to reduce what starts automatically when you sign in. In Task Manager, switch to the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of apps that try to launch every time Windows boots. Look for items you don't rely on at startup. Cloud sync tools you rarely use, update assistants, or helper apps for software you open only occasionally. Select an app you don't need at startup and choose Disable. This doesn't uninstall the app, it simply stops it from auto-launching, which can save RAM and speed up your next sign-in. You can always return here later and re-enable anything you miss. That's it. By sorting processes by memory, ending what you don't need, and disabling unnecessary startup items, you'll reduce high RAM usage and help your Windows 11 PC run smoother and more responsively.